The sub-250-gram drone industry is on the verge of its most massive disruption yet, and if you buy current hardware today, you are going to regret it within months. Internal factory supply chain blueprints and engineering leaks have officially surfaced regarding the highly anticipated DJI Mini 6 Pro, and the specifications exposed show a generational leap that completely blurs the line between compact travel drones and high-end cinema platforms. DJI is preparing to launch a powerhouse that shatters every limitation we have come to accept from a lightweight airframe. Welcome back to TapTech, your ultimate source for authentic hardware breakthroughs, exclusive industry leaks, and professional spec breakdowns. If you want to stay ahead of the global tech curve and make smart buying choices without the marketing fluff, make sure to follow along closely. Today we are dissecting the exact internal data, leaked sensory modules, and camera specifications that prove why the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro is the ultimate pocket cinema camera the industry has been waiting for. To understand why this upcoming release is causing panic among competitors, we have to look directly at the newly leaked camera module. For years, the holy grail of compact drones has been balancing sensor size against the strict 249-gram weight limit that allows creators to fly without registration or licensing. Restrictions in premium markets, like the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. While previous iterations pushed the envelope, internal supply chain leaks confirmed that the DJI Mini 6 Pro will feature a groundbreaking 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor capable of shooting native 6K video at 60 frames per second. This is not just a standard sensor upgrade. The shift to a stacked architecture means data processing happens at the pixel level, completely eliminating rolling shutter artifacts and the dreaded jello effect that ruins high-speed aerial footage. For professional content creators targeting high-paying ad markets, this sensor provides true cinema-grade performance in a pocket-sized form factor. You are looking at a native 10-bit D-Log M-color profile with a massive 14 stops of dynamic range, allowing for extreme color grading flexibility in post-production without breaking the image apart. But the camera upgrades do not stop at resolution. The engineering blueprints expose a feature that has never been successfully implemented on an ultralight drone. A true mechanical variable aperture ranging from f1.8 down to f11. If you are a professional drone pilot, you know exactly how frustrating it is to constantly land your aircraft to change physical ND filters when the sun passes behind a cloud. The Mini 6 Pro deletes this pain point entirely. The variable iris allows you to maintain a perfect 180-degree shutter rule for flawless motion blur on the fly, adapting instantly to harsh midday sun or deep cinematic sunsets without sacrificing your depth of field. Combined with the massive 1-inch sensor, the low-light capabilities are unprecedented. Safety and tracking are receiving an equally revolutionary overhaul. According to internal factory data, DJI is embedding an advanced Nightscape LiDAR system directly into the omnidirectional obstacle avoidance array. Standard vision-based obstacle sensing relies heavily on ambient light, meaning if you fly close to trees or buildings at dusk or in pitch-black darkness, your drone is essentially blind. The integration of forward and downward-facing active LiDAR sensors changes the game entirely. The Mini 6 Pro fires thousands of invisible laser pulses per second to map out a highly accurate, real-time 3D point cloud of its surroundings. This means the omnidirectional safety system works flawlessly in total darkness, enabling high-speed tracking through complex forest canopies or tight alleyways without any risk of a catastrophic crash. Camera and safety system this powerful require an equally robust transmission architecture to stay connected. The leak reveals that the DJI Mini 6 Pro will premiere the all-new DJI O5 transmission system. Operating across dual frequencies, this new system is engineered to handle dense urban interference. If you are flying in high CPM metropolitan areas like New York, Los Angeles, or London, wireless congestion often cuts your video feed short or drops frame rates significantly. The O5 transmission system guarantees a rock-solid, crystal-clear 1080p live stream at a buttery-smooth 60 frames per second at an astonishing distance of up to 22 kilometers under ideal FCC conditions. Now, you might be wondering how DJI plans to pack a massive 1-inch stacked sensor, a mechanical variable aperture, a LiDAR system, and an advanced transmission array into an airframe while keeping it under the legally crucial 249-gram threshold? The answer lies in a massive shift in battery technology. Factory leaks reveal that DJI is transitioning away from traditional lithium-ion chemistry to a highly advanced, high-density, solid-state battery architecture. Solid-state batteries offer significantly higher energy density per gram, allowing DJI to increase power capacity without adding a single milligram of extra weight to the chassis. The standard intelligent flight battery is leaked to deliver an incredible 42 minutes of flight time. But for premium markets where regulatory limits can be bypassed with optional hardware, the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus pushes the boundaries even further, offering a mind-blowing 60 minutes of continuous airtime. Looking at the physical structure of the drone, the engineering schematics show an optimized aerodynamic profile with longer, high-efficiency propellers and redesigned carbon composite folding arms. This new build allows the Mini 6 Pro to achieve an impressive Level 6 wind resistance, maintaining rock-solid stability in gusty coastal winds up to 15 meters per second. Internal storage is also getting a massive quality-of-life upgrade, jumping to a generous 64 gigabytes of high-speed onboard storage. Let's talk about pricing and global availability based on the leaked retail roadmaps. Given the sheer amount of elite hardware being packed into this ultra-compact frame, DJI is positioning this as a premium flagship device that bridges the gap between consumer travel and professional enterprise operations. The leaked base package, which includes the drone and the standard RCN3 smartphone controller, is expected to start around $899. For serious content creators, the highly sought-after Fly More combo, featuring the premium DJI RC2 controller with its built-in high-brightness screen, 3 high-density batteries, a multi-charging hub, and a dedicated shoulder bag, is projected to land around $1,049. While this is a step up in price compared to older generations, the ability to bypass registration laws while securing 6K resolution, variable aperture, and LiDAR safety makes it a massive value proposition for any professional workflow. Every piece of leaked supply chain data paints a clear picture. DJI is completely removing the concept of compromise from the compact drone market. You no longer have to choose between the portability of an ultralight aircraft and the image quality of a heavy, restricted professional cinema platform. The upcoming release gives you both in a single package that slides right into your jacket pocket. If you want to make sure your content remains competitive and your gear stays future-proof for years to come, holding off on a major drone purchase right now is the smartest move you can make. Thank you for tuning in to TapTech for this exclusive, authentic hardware deep dive. We are constantly monitoring the supply chain to bring you breaking updates the exact moment they happen. Make sure to stay subscribed so you never miss out on the latest shifts changing the tech landscape. Let us know in the comments below which feature you are most excited for, and we will see you in the very next breakdown.